All right, we'll do some of 11 and 12 together now. So 11a, 2x squared plus 3x minus 9. We want to factor this thing, so we need to have two sets of parentheses like that. And in my two parentheses, one should have a 2x and one should have an x, because I need to multiply these to get my 2x squared. So then the question becomes, what goes with these terms? And the hint is in that constant term -9, because I know that this term times this term has to equal -9. So think about what numbers could multiply together to give you -9. So just think about +9 for now. If you want 9, you could have 9 times 1, or you could have 3 times 3. So let's imagine if we had a 3 times 3 there scenario. Okay, we know that one of these 3's needs to be positive and one of these 3's needs to be negative, because it is a -9 that we're dealing with. But we also need this situation. We need 2x times 3, which would give us a 6x plus or minus, not sure which it is, don't know if it's plus, don't know if it's minus, but we would have some either positive or negative 6x from that term. We'd multiply those two if we're expanding all this and get a 3 times x. Again, don't know if it's positive or negative yet, but we need these two numbers to add together to give us that 3x. So can you combine a 6 and a 3 to get a 3? Yeah, you can, if the 6 is positive and the 3 is negative. Because now I'd have a -3 times x gives me a -3x, and a positive 3 times 2x gives me a positive 6x, and a positive 6x minus 3x gives you a positive 3x, is what we needed. So we get factored like that. And now we're told we want to find the solutions to this, which means if it's equal to 0, what are the two x values that make this true? So set each factor equal to 0. 2x minus 3 equals 0, so 2x equals 3, so x equals 3 halves. Do the same thing with your next factor. X plus 3 equals 0, which means x equals -3. So the two solutions would be 3 halves and -3.